Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Do you want to connect a domain from the Squarespace to your Wix website? In this quick video, I will walk you through exact steps. Start by heading over to your Wix dashboard here and go to manage.wix.com here. Log into your account. Once you're inside your site dashboard, click settings and then click select domains. Here, connect domains. You'll find an option you already own. Choose Squarespace as your domain provider. Here you can search it and choose it. Then you can do this. In a new tab, log into your Squarespace account. Go to your domain settings and look for DNS settings. Paste the Wix DNS records exactly as shown. Once you have updated the records, go back to Wix and click verify connection. It may take a few moments for the changes to reflect. That's it. Your Squarespace domain is now connected to your Wix website. Like and subscribe for more web tips.